Hello guys! This is Suzette and I'm back again for today's episode. For today's episode guys, ay maglalaro kami at kasama ko ang aking mga kiddies! Since wala kaming internet ngayon at tulog na yung isa kong baby, so wala kaming ginagawa kasi umalis yung hobby ko for today. So, kami lang tatlo. So, since bored kami, kasi wala nga kaming ginagawa. Since may na-install kaming mga offline games, so yon ang lalaroin namin. I will definitely say 100% na magugustuhan ninyo ito. So, guys, I'll make sure na once mapanood nyo ang video na to, ay gustong-gusto nyong i-install ang app na lalaroin namin. Kasi guys, ang laro ito ay hindi lang pang isahan, hindi din pang dalawahan. Kundi, ang larong ito ay for groups. Ibig sabihin, malalaro nyo ang game na to by 4 persons. Okay? You can play this game with your kids. Kung marami kayong anak, guys, swak na swak ang larong ito. And take note, guys, this game is also a way to bond with your kids. Sa isang device lang, pwedeng 4 na players ang makakalaro sa game na ito. I will definitely recommend this for you and for your kids. Bago tayo magsimula, how to install this? Simple lang. Kung kayo ay Android user, just go to the Google Play Store and search this title and then click install. So once done installing, then you can start to play. If you're an iOS user, I don't know if meron ito, but you can try it, okay? So now, are you ready guys? Kids, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Before we begin, say hi to the guys first.
Hello. Hello, I'm Gabriel. Bye. My name, Bye. Gufo.
So, let's begin. Once na-install nyo na ang app, click open it and ito yung lalabas guys. You can choose adventure, quick game, tournament. So,
Store.
mas prepared ni Kuya Gab laruin yung quick game compared to adventure. Are you ready?
Yay!
Play. Here's the game sa quick game guys. Marami naman siya papipilian. And note guys, good for kids to guys. Oh, kasi napaka colorful and easy to play niya guys. So which one?
Up. Race.
Okay.
So
you can play this guys. It's good for 1 up to 4 players. So since tatlo lang kami, we'll choose 3 players. So play with bots?
Yes.
Okay, let's play with robots. What's classic and knockout?
The knockout is you die. The classic is just winning.
So which one we choose?
Just classic. We don't wanna die at the race.
So choose map.
Just choose. We're about to play the racing game. Whoever is first to get 3 laps wins the race. Me. Let's go to main menu.
It's hard.
Yeah,
Try another.
find an easy one. How about chickens? You just catch chickens.
Okay. Let's catch.
In this game, we collect a lots of chicken in the farmhouse. Whatever your skin color is, has to
yours. Oh, it's empty. Okay, let's try again. So, which one? What's Ninja Warrior?
It's just fighting game. So in this game, we beat each other up in the ninja wars. And also, whoever is first to survive the game wins. Too loud. I die. I die.
Right?
Almost. It's on.
Ooh. Wood.
You lost. No! No! I'm almost dead.
I lose.
I got a ninja shuriken. I got a ninja shuriken, that's all. That's all.
Okay.
What that's
What
all.
else?
Which? There's a lot. Which? Just choose.
No,
Your
no.
turn. Which, ma? Which?
UFO battle.
In this game, we play as little aliens inside the alien ship. In this spaceship, you have 4 balloons like in the shield. When a spike comes and you hit it, it will not wear a shield anymore. So you beat each other up. That's all.
Di ba takabaw, right?
I know it.
It's hard.
It's hard. Just choose.
What's this?
Mushroom panic.
Not coins.
A coin. Right. And who gets the more coins wins. And remember, don't hit the TNT or you'll get minus points. Coins. Yay! I got 2. I won. Get up. Main menu, choose. I want that. Tank battle, okay. So in this game, we have tanks. So we press a button, it shoots and moves. We spin and spin. We press the button, it shoots and you move. We beat each other up and extras. There will be question marks and you get power-ups. See? I'm dead.
You're dead? Survive pa yan ay nanay.
Yes. Face each other.
How can I move?
Press the right. Press the shoot to move. Okay. And also shoot to kill. Gives you something good. Alright, watch out for the arrows. Not me, kuya. Kuya, ma.
Yes, dead na. Ako naman siya gat.
Bomb. Oh, whatever.
What's that?
In this game, there will be balls shooting. We have to go block them. And another player gets the ball and blocks them. Whoever did not get the ball, the player will win a point. Not that. When a ball shoots, you block it. And a ball just reflects. And it shoots to another player. When a player doesn't block it, you win a point. It's like soccer. I got the point. I got the point. No.
How are you? Ay!
No.
What is this? Ay!
And also miss a ball. Minus point. Peloy,
Yellow. The other guy.
Dave.
The robot.
I name him Dave.
Okay.
Let's play bomb again. 3. Play with God.
How can you play the bomb?
So, one of you will have a bomb in your hands. Your goal is to pass the bomb and pass it to another player and pass it until he explodes. And the last time he wins the game.
Stop it. It's just a game. Okay, let's play again, okay?
See, when
Okay.
Ray loses, he cries.
Okay guys, sana ay nagustuhan nyo ang aming games. Now, nakita nyo na ang mga features at kung paano laruin ang Stickman playlist. So fun and
We laughed.
we laugh and nakakawala talaga siya ng stress guys. Especially, banding nyo na rin ng mga bata guys. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you in our next vlog.
Wait. We'll be sending an extra video of Bye crying. Extras.
Okay.
Last game.
See ya. Bye.
No, game ko.
See ya on our next vlog. Bye.
Bye. Well, even
Here, subscribe to our channel.